Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can copy and paste codes into Brookhaven. So as you can see, I want to use this brown hair, but I cannot find it in Brookhaven. So I'm just going to select this to copy, and then I am going to go back to Roblox to Brookhaven here. Then you're going to go to this option, and then you're going to enter the Roblox catalog ID, and you're going to press enter, and it's going to equip the code that you wear. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!